What's up, guys? We're back in another video, and today we're at the Cincinnati Nature Center on a bird guide. I didn't get any of the footage of us walking around the trail and being on the bird guide, so here's all the birds and species with videos and pictures of it. Stay till the end because we'll have a list and some facts about the Cincinnati Nature Center. I also spotted a glimpse of an eastern phoebe. After the bird guide, me and my dad decided to go out to the field across the street from the Cincinnati Nature Center to look for the blue grosbeak, but we didn't find any of it. All we found was eastern towhees and field sparrows. While we were walking back, we saw a white-tailed deer along with some white-breasted nuthatch and some Carolina chickadees. I didn't get any videos or photos of the Carolina chickadees, but here's a video of the white-breasted nuthatch. And just like that, we're done with the Cincinnati Nature Center birding. Here's a list of all the birds we saw and heard there, and here's some interesting facts right after the list, so stay around. Here's something I forgot to show at the very beginning. This is a ruby-throated hummingbird in its nest. So, I only got a picture of it, not video. Fact number 1. The center features over 16 to 20 miles of diverse hiking trails winding through mature eastern forests, streams, ponds, and restored prairies. Fact number 2. Rao Woods is famous for spring and fall migration, recording species like the ovenbird and black and white warbler in rates significantly higher than the regional average. Fact number 3. It is one of the top 10 largest and most celebrated nature centers in the United States.